Hello everyone, today we are going to be making goat meat stew. For this recipe, pour some oil into the cooking pot and then allow the oil to heat up before adding your nicely chopped onion. Saute for 30 seconds to 1 minute before you go in with the tomato paste. Once the tomato paste is in, mix thoroughly until properly combined and allow to fry on medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. This step is very important if you don't want your stew to have that sour taste. Then go in with your pepper mix. For this pepper mix, I combined fresh tomatoes, cayenne pepper, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, and some spring onion. And then, of course, I cooked it dry before using it for the stew. Mix thoroughly, cover, and allow to simmer for about 7 minutes. After it has simmered for a while, go on and add some seasoning. I added some curry powder, beyond cubes, some mixed spices, as well as some ginger and garlic powder. I then added the goat meat stock, gave it a good stir, and covered it up and allowed it to simmer some more. After about 5 minutes, I went in with the goat meat. Mind you, I've already grilled the goat meat after cooking it. Once the goat meat was in, I stirred properly and then I added in some salt before I covered it up and allowed it to simmer for about 3 minutes before taking it off from the fire. Guys, this recipe was so amazing. I hope you try this.